Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to install camera driver. At first, in the application file, right click and click this option, run as administrator. Want permission, click yes. Then this dialog box or installation shield wizard is open, then click next. I accept this term in the license agreement. Next. Now this SP universal camera driver dialog box is open. Click next. If you want to restart now, then select yes. If you want to restart later, then click no. Finish. So my camera driver install is complete. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.